Now let's turn to digital outputs. In order to activate any of these, I need to make a change in the software itself. So I'm going to press enter here to terminate this program. And I want to make a change to the program itself. To do that, you go back to the hello in the left pane and you actually double click it. That will launch the editor. The editor appears here and it shows the actual source code of this program. And one interesting statement appears here inside the source code. It's actually line number 32. And it shows an example of how to activate a particular output. This line here, line number 32, is currently commented out. It's deactivated because there's a percentage sign at the beginning of it. So I'm going to delete the percentage sign, and it instructs me to write something. I'm going to delete everything. So the line starts with this. All right. Now let's try to read this programming statement. It might look complicated, but later on you will see that it's not. It's really self-evident what's happening here. It's talking to the interface board, this .interface, and it's telling it, set your digital output number 3 to the value 1. In other words, it's telling it, go ahead and activate digital output number 3. So now that we have uncommented this statement, we need to save it. So I go to the save here and I just click save. And now we have this statement activated. So let me go back to the console, but I'll make the console a little bit bigger. And again, run the hello program again. You can use the up arrow if you like to recall a previous command. So I'll just go up arrow and press enter. Ignore the warning about the change in the file. So again, it says press enter to start. So I'm starting here. So because we uncommented that statement, output number 3, let's see, this is digital output 0, 1, 2, 3. So this output presumably has been activated, which means there's a +5 voltage drop between it and ground. So to verify this, either I bring my multimeter and measure the voltage drop across these two, or if you like, you can bring an LED connected between these two and make sure that it lights up. So I can put one end, the short end of the LED, in the ground, bring an alligator cable, clip one side of it to output number 3, and clip the other side to the LED, and I see that it turns on, proving that this output has been activated. If you try this with any other output here, you can see it's not working because the software controlled only output number 3. So, and you can of course, okay, let's terminate this program now. And you can, if you like, go back to the statement that we uncommented, line number 32, and change the number 3 to some other number, and you can activate that output. The number has to be between 0 and 7. The 1 here, the second argument that's appearing here, is simply the state that you would like to put that output in. If you set it to 1, that means you want it to be logical 1 or plus